Hello all. Today's video will be about initial configuration for SD-WAN controllers. In my SD-WAN lab that runs in EVE-NG and Google Cloud, I have three controllers: vManage, vSmart and vBond. The goal of this lab is a basic configuration to enable IP connectivity between controllers and connection between management PC and vManage GUI portal. After completing this lab, I would like to have IP connectivity and the lab ready for applying certificates for secure communication between controllers. At the end of the video, I will also show you how to reset vManage to default configuration with a single command. This will help you if you need to make changes to configuration of vManage or start from beginning again. Let's review my lab. I have three controllers here: vSmart, vManage and vBond. All three controllers have two interfaces, one for the VPN 0 and one for the VPN 512. They are connected to the switch, and I also have a management PC or Linux machine for management of the vManage for using the GUI interface for the vManager. As mentioned, I have two VPN 0, VPN 512. I also have a system IP assigned to the devices and organization name, which is my name and also name of my YouTube channel. Now, let's look at the IP addressing. The VPN 0 is 10.0.10.0/24. VPN 512 is 192.168.0.0/24. System IP is 2.2.2.x, depends on the device. I try to keep it consistent, so the last octet for the vSmart is .2 for all two IP addresses and the system IP. For the vManager is the last octet .1, and for the vBond is the last octet .3. For this lab, the goal is to have the full IP connectivity for each VPN between the controllers and also have the management access from this management PC from the Ubuntu here into the vManager GUI interface. Now we have all the information required for the lab. I will start with the configuration. All the configuration will be under this video. Please, if you are doing anything differently in terms of configuration, let me know in the comments below. I will also ask you to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Now let's look at the vManage configuration. I have a simple script here for the vManage configuration where I have the hostname vManage, system IP 2.2.2.1, site ID is site ID 1, organization name is JANBLAHUTA, my name, and I need a vBond IP address for the VPN 0, which is 10.0.10.3. Now for the VPN 0, I have a configuration here, so I'm using the subnet from 10 range, 10.0.10.1, it's assigned to the Ethernet 0, and for VPN 512, I have IP address 192.168.1, plus I also have a default route which points to the switch, which should be 99. Okay, so I use this configuration and I will paste it into the vManage. So let's have a look. Admin. Yes, admin. So usual conf-t. I will now take the configuration. So I also have to go into the system sub-configuration menu, paste it in, commit the configuration, and show running config. So we have vManage system IP, system ID, site ID, organization name. I have vBond configured, that's correct. Also have VPN 0 and VPN 512. Oh, I see I have a 2 default route. Let's correct that. now it's been corrected. So great. So I have the vManage configuration completed. Let's try, because the Linux machine is already configured. Let's try if we can ping the Linux machine. So VPN 512 is 192.168.0.100. Yes, that is working. So we have the vManage configure. Let's have a look at the other controllers. So what we have next? We have a vSmart controller. Same, the configuration is very similar. So we have a host name, system IP, site ID is different from the vManage. Organization name stay the same. vBond is 10.0.10.3, and we have configuration for VPN 0 and VPN 512. Now let me log into the vSmart first. Yeah, already here. Cool. I will copy configuration. Okay. Yes, commit changes. vSmart. Let's have a look. Show running configuration. Yeah, looks pretty good. I will now try the ping. Yes, I can ping the Linux machine. Let's try if we can ping the vManage. Yes, we can also ping the vManage. So that is very good. So we have excuse me. We have configuration for the vSmart. Let's have a look at the configuration for the vBond. Yeah. I will bring the config so we can review it. So vBond is the configuration, again the same. We have the host name, system IP. We also have a site ID, which is again is different from those two controllers. Organization name, that stays same. That needs to be same for all three controllers. Now the only difference is here the vBond. There is extra command local vBond. Only that's me that we're telling this box that he's the vBond. He's the vBond. We have the IP address for the VPN 0 and IP address for the VPN 512. Let's have a look. Copy configuration and paste it here. vBond system IP. Yep, this looks good. Commit again and show running configuration. Let's have a look. It looks everything is here. Let's try ping again. 0.168.100 is the Linux machine that is working. Let's try the vManage. That is also working. So we have configured the VPN 0 and VPN 512 for all three controllers. Now we should try if I have access from the Linux machine into the vManage. Now if I have, yes, I have it open. I need to put a password in. Yes, we open the browser. And the IP address of the vManage is 192.168.0.1. That's right. Let's have a look. I still have this. Try again. Yes, we have the connectivity to the vManage. So we completed this very simple lab with the IP addressing, configuration for the VPN 0 and VPN 512, We have IP connectivity and management access from the Linux machine. That should be it from the configuration perspective. We have completed this basic lab. We have IP connectivity between controllers and also management access to the vManage device. In the next video, I will show you how to create certification trust to secure connection between controllers. This is essential part of SD-WAN overlay. Just to add to the lab, if you need to reset vManage to the default, there is a single command for it. The command is request reset configuration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.